everyone, today I'm going to show you how we can use the AutoCAD Inventor to produce the assembly drawing for this duct. So you can see this size is 214 and 142, and then we're bending up 60 degrees, another part is 60, and then we have the jaw nut, the plate, so which is this one there. And first we need to see what is the structure of this. That from here you got the edge, touch edge, and same as this. And from this point there is bent, and this point there is bent. So first we need to draw this part and bend it 142, and then start from here 214 and bend it. All right, which is these parts. Okay, let's do it. First we go to new, sheet metal, create it. We change the defaults, and at the moment the default is 0.5 millimeter. The requirement from here is 3 mil, and that's 5 mil. Let's change, click on there, and 3 mil. And they didn't say which material, so we just leave it. Save and close. Go to defaults, and always I go to Y and Z plan. Okay, first thing we need to do is this one. The height is 300 and the width is 214. Click on the 300, 214. Zoom out a little bit. Just move this one away a little bit and click on OK. Alright, so that's the one. Let's give a face. Face give L is the default 3 mil to this way. Okay, apply and finish. That's 3 mil, but I didn't trim to the 60 degree. We're doing this one later on. The first thing we need to do is one finish. I'm going to start bend 142. Go to French, not this corner, the other corner, 142. And click on OK. So that's finish for two sides. Now we need to draw from here. If I go a little bit closer, from there I should draw from this point to come out. That is here, and then 214 and 300. Okay, I'm going to select this plant. Okay, so my start point is here. $214 and tap 300. Okay, so that's finish. Let's give a face. So the face at the moment is bending in. You can see straight away. And also they related to the other one. If I click say apply, they're going to relate it to there, which is not very good, which is we don't want to bending up. Okay, let's going back, do this, and then we give a face, and then I go this way. So they're coming out. So you can see straight away they're coming out. They want to relate it to here, which is I don't need to relate it. So I click on there to new solid and then apply. You see that? They are no relationship now, which is what I want. I need to bend the French. apply. That's exactly what I want. So this corner and this corner. Okay, so now it's a finish. Now I need to cut it in 60 degree. I select this face and drawing. All right, now what I'm going to do is use the line, but before we're doing that, we use the project geometric. And I need this line, go to the line. I'm going to start here, draw a line, and then there, 90 degrees. I'm going to draw a line there, and click on OK. Go to dimension, this one, and this one there. And now at the moment it's a 67.45 degree. I would like to change to 60 degree. And then click on OK. And now let's tilting up a little bit. Okay, I want to cut through everything from there. I go to 3D model, extrude. At the moment, you can see this one is related to this one there, but nothing to do with that. So I'm going to get everything through. Okay, cut and through all. You see, it doesn't count in here and here. When I cut it, only cut it from here, and maybe this one too. That's why I don't want it. I want to select more. So now you can see they're cutting everything through. So if I go to left view, you can see straight away. If I go to top view, that's what we exactly want to see. This corner, that's bent, that's bent. Exactly same as here. Bend, bend. Let's save this one. So save as. I save in the document, I put dot one, part one. Yeah, dot one. I go to new, sheet metal, create. Again, I use this. And again, 250 high, and tab. This time is 250 high. And then I say finish. Okay, sheet metal's default still 0.5. You need to change it to 3 mil before you do the thickness, the face. This one 3 mil. Okay, go to face to give you the face there. So it's okay. Same principle, we want to bend the French, just one. Bend 142 and click on OK. And then I would like to select and start draw. Remember the start point should be here. Okay, same as the other one, go to rectangle and my start point from here. So the first thing I do is 214, tab, 250. Now click on OK. And then I'm going to give a face. The face I give up is related to there, which is we don't want to bend it. So I need to take off the relationship, and also it's bending in. So I want it coming out. And OK. Now it's OK. So I'm going to have a French on this side, and 142, which is, that's what I want. Apply. Okay, I'm happy with these results. Project Magic. I would like to cut from here to there. I want to cut from the right side corner top to the left side. So which is from here to cut it down. Project Magic. And that's all. And get a line. Get a line, straight line. And coming down. And then going there. Okay. Between these two, 68 at the moment. So I change to 60. And click on OK. And now let's tilting up a little bit. 3D model, extrude, and already select the face. Again, they related to this tool, but not that one there. I would like to select everything. Okay, let's go to cut through first and through all. Okay, now finish this. Okay, let's save. And let's say duct and 2. All right, so now duct 2 has been done. We're going to start making these plates. We got 2 sizes, and this plate there, outside dimension is 250 by 322. So you need to make this, and then after this one, the opening here, you must can fit the duct through, because we're making 300 high is from this point there, not there. So we need to take off the thickness. This is flat bar 5 mil. Start anew and standard, create. And I would like to use X and Z. Rectangle, start from this point, 322, tab. Now we need to do the cut out in here. So we need to know the size. Let's go back to check. Okay, if I go to left view, need to go to top view. Now we need to go to, we need to measure. So 145. From here to there, 217. Now we're going to part, the new part. So let's draw from here. I draw from anywhere there, 217, 145. Okay, this one, go to the middle of that. So how do we can know where is the middle? So we need to draw a line from the middle point. You can see the middle is a green, and drawing to the middle there. Okay, let's say okay, and get this one is construction line. So that's construction, and same thing here. That's the middle line, say it's okay. Click on there and say construction. Now I go to point, that's the middle, and middle, they move straight away. So this one has been finished. I'm gonna say escape, just delete some of the numbers. What I'm doing now is cut out all the hoses. So when I cut out all the hoses here, I'm going to use all these information, 94, 94. So this hose is 12 mil diameter, 12 mil diameter. Let's do the first one. Go to circle, I just got, say, 12 mil. So that's 12 mil hole. Okay, first one, I would like to put it from the middle line there to there is 47. And then this one's a 20 from this line. When I come back here, I would like to have a line just 20 mil from there and then straight down. And okay, so this one there is construction. 47. I would like to use the point to point. This point to here. All right. So that's 47. I can delete this one. All right, so that's the first hole. Copy this one, select this point, and then move up just roughly there, one here, and one here, escape. So total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 hoses. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each one in between is 94. Go to dimension, from here to there, 94. This point to this point, 94. Okay, 94 now. It seems like they push up a little bit, so we need to put this one back. 47. Make it even. Now everything's okay. Let's delete all these. Now I finish this, I need to do the other side as well. The other side is exactly the same, but we need to mirror to the other side. Therefore, I need to have a construction line. So I can do construction line there. Go to mirror. And I select all of these. And then the mirror line should be here. And then apply. Done. To left. This one there, 105. And also is in the middle line. So therefore, draw a line there. Okay. And then construction. And then I use the copy function. So copy this one. And the base point is there. And go to the middle point there. And done. And then mirror. This one there. Mirror line is here. And apply. And done. All of this done. Okay, I'm happy with these results. I click on OK. Now I'm going to go to Extrude. The plate is 5mm. And then select all these and just click on OK. So that should be the plate. And then save as. Duct 3. So the third parts, part 1, part 2, and part 3. Now we finish all the parts here. Part 1, 2, and 3. Okay, we go to new. And this is assembly. Go to standard, IAM, create it. First thing you need to do is place some parts in there. Click on the documents, you can see duct 1, 2, and 3. So let's do one at a time. So this one there, say open. It seems like a little bit closer, too close. I'm going to just click on there. And they will change directions. That's not what I want. I really want to standing up. So I go to Y. I go to Y again. X and X. That's what I want. Select it and delete it. Second one. Duct number 2. We need to change the direction. Almost there. Almost there. Okay, we need to rotate it. So I think the other way around. Because when you join them together, maybe this one becoming a straight one. Yeah, this way. That's the way. You just leave it there. Place another 2 plates. And this part's there, the same thing. Yep. Okay, 1 and 2. But that's all the parts. Now it is the time we need to join them together. And we use the constraint. And the constraint we want to do is, I would like to use this one there to join to this one there to join together. So you can see straight away they already joined together. However, you may see from this one there they join 100%, but from here they not join together. So we need to use this function. Before we're doing that, we better apply. So make sure this one's okay. So this line and this face and this face there going to be used this. Okay, so 1, 2, and we use that. And now you can see they already done it. However, this one flush, but that one there is off center. Apply first. Now they're 100% to join together. Okay, now my job is to fit this one in there and this one to there. Okay, before we do it, we must understand where to fit. This line there must be down the bottom. Go to constraint, and we say this line there to the bottom line here. Yep, I'm happy with these results. There's nothing wrong. And let's say apply. And now the second one. From here, the line up. We want to line up this one into there. Okay, this one and to here. And fit in, apply. Now it's fitted through. Well, I'm doing the same to the next one. So this line there to this line there. And now you maybe see it in the angle. Everything just tilting in the angle because you can change the angle, but however, it is in the angle now. Not to worry, we're going to change that very soon. So all you need to do is go to this line and this line together, and they're tilting in the angle straight away. They tilt in the angle, in the right angle straight away. However, it is a little bit off center. You can see straight away. Outline there to the outline here. And now apply. Now everything been done. I select all of them and I go to default. I can change to stainless steel brush. So that's what I want. Okay, just save this. Just going to the requirement, just have a look. The question asks you to produce the assembly and create IDW file with relevant information and the part list as well. Okay, I can save this as, okay, that's IAM. The requirements say IDW. First thing I do is save this one, the duct. And say OK. Okay, after save, go to new IDW. Here, create base. Remember we save, whatever we save previously, they will place to here straight away. See that? I'm going back to here. I want to see that's the front view. Okay, So I go to here, that's this, and then the top view or the bottom view. Yeah, that's the plate. And then we got another view there, and then the isometric wheels in there. And then I click on OK. For this one there, I would like to click it and change view. Only for this one. Edit view. This one shaded, and OK. So that's the one. Okay, then also they ask you to create a part list. I can make a small one in here. So which is I need to go to this one there. And when you see the balloon there, you're going to select auto balloon. And based on this front view, I'm going to select which parts I'm going to do. So I'm going to select this drawing, and the first part should be this one. So part A, part B, or part 3, and these parts, and these parts. So total we have 4 parts. And horizontal, I select the placement. At the moment, it's a horizontal or vertical. I don't like this. I always want to do around the corner, which one to point to where. I'm happy with this, so they point it to there. 1, 2, 3, 4, apply, and I say OK. If you go closer, they will say 1, they say 2, and then they say 3. 3 different parts, and it is actually 4. However, this is the same parts, and we just say 3 parts. Now I really want to make some adjustment. For example, this one there is pointed to here. I want to move this one around and this one in the middle of these parts. And part number 3 is pointed to the air, but it's in there. I'm not happy with that. And number 2 is around here. I want to move up and point it to the middle of these parts. Okay, so what I do is I click on the parts there. I'm going to move around this one to there and this one to here. I'm happy with this. I'm coming to here now. Pointer to there, and this one pointer to there. And number 3, I'm going to just go right under. Just go right under. Okay, it is a time for us to create a part list ribbon here. You can see the part list in here. It is very simple and very direct. Select the view. I select this view because we already pointed part 1, 2, and 3. And just click on OK. You can see this shape. So I really want to put it in here, which is not interrupting with anything, right on the top of title block. Click on there and I go closer and say item 1, 2, and 3. Okay, quantity 1, 1, and 2. Remember, the quantity 2 is this plate. Okay, and the part number is duct 1, duct 2, duct 3, description. We need to make a little bit adjustment. Double click on there. They will let you to do the adjustment there. First thing, item 1, 2, and 3. I can say part A, part B, and part C. Okay, quantity 1, 2, that's okay. Part number, I say duct 1, 1, 2, and 3, that's okay. So what about description? I say the duct body, lower, and I go to the next one, duct body, upper, and then I go to number 3 is a connecting plate. Okay, part number, you don't need to change, and then I say okay. So everything is in here. If you want to put the sizes in the dimension, which is alright. So save this as .idw now. The dot drawing MEM, whatever the number you put it in. Okay, so that's the final result. Thank you for watching.